In this short video, I'll show you how to create an autonomous database and connect to it. You need to go to hamburger menu, you click Oracle Database, and you select Autonomous Database from here. Now, in your own compartment, click Create Autonomous Database and give a name to the autonomous database. Yes, the display name. Test ATP in my case. Doesn't matter what is the database as it's a test one. I will select transaction processing in here and I will leave it on the shared infrastructure. If I have an Exadata dedicated infrastructure in my backend, yeah, I can also select dedicated one. Now, next step will be to select the database version, yeah, which is 19C, yeah, so you don't have too much things to choose from here. And you select the number of CPUs. Yeah, the minimum one, it is one CPU, yeah, that you can go. And with this enabled on the right, yeah, you can increase the number of CPU on the fly up to 3 times, yeah, when more CPU power is needed. Same thing, yeah, you can do with the auto scaling. So you can click on this one. So if more space than the additional 1 terabyte storage is needed, automatically we'll add it to your database. Next step is to create the administrator credentials. Yeah, so let's create the administrator credentials, and now you have the option to choose different connection methods. First method, is the oldest one, that is using the wallet, to connect directly from anywhere, from the internet directly to the database. The second one, you're gonna specify from where to connect, you're gonna specify the IP, so you're gonna have an ACL in here. And the latest one that you see in here, this is a private endpoint access only. So that means access to this database will be done only from the VCN, okay, where you're gonna specify it. In my case, it is a test database. I'll go directly with the pre-configured connections from outside using the database credentials. I will select my bring your own license as I'm an Oracle employee. And in here, I will leave it that I have Oracle Enterprise Edition, and I can add my email address in here if I want to get announcements. So at this point, this was everything that you need to do to create this autonomous database. You have to click create autonomous database in here now, and after that we need to wait around 1 minute and the autonomous database on a shared infrastructure is gonna be created for me. Now, after the autonomous database is created, if you click on tool configurations, you are able to see multiple tools that are available to access in the autonomous database. And let's say you want to use Oracle Apex and your transaction processing, you already have it enabled in there. Or if you don't want to use it, you can disable it. Also in here, you're gonna have a Graph Studio that you can use it for your environment and so on. Also you can see here the metrics are available for your database. And I will pause it for a few seconds until it's changed the states from provisioning to active, and I will show you also how to connect to it. Okay, so the database is changed its availability. It's in available mode right now. So now we can do also additional configuration, like I want to go and change the maintenance time. So I can change the contacts that are doing this maintenance in here. I can also select the backup schedule that I want to use it. So I want to do backup every day and so on. Or I can also do something that was available in here, like auto start and stop schedule. Okay, so I want to start every morning the database during weekdays after 8. So that means it's gonna be 9 my time at least, or 10 depending on the summer hour. So I want the database to be up running when I'm gonna start working. And also I can select in here that I will stop it every day at around 18 my time. So 10 days 10 hours per day, the database will start and stop after my working days. So this is one of the first things that you want to do if you don't have a production database and you want to keep your own credits used as wise as possible. Okay, so you did the first changes on this. Next step that you can do in here, you click database actions, And with database actions, yeah, you're gonna be redirected to a different menu. And in here, I need to enable yeah, this pop-up. Okay, I will be redirected to the database administrative page. In here, I will need to enter the admin credentials. Okay, I already logged in with that one, so I have it in here. So in here, I have another option, really nice feature that I have. It is an Online SQL Developer. So I can go and I can use it to load data, to do initial tests and so on. I have an Object Explorer. I can go with this basic yeah, guidance to better understand the service. Okay, so it is a very fast service, very reliable. Yeah, because if you have let's say data guard enabled for the database and so on, if you're gonna go on it and you're gonna check in here lifestyle, 1 second, there was a menu that says what is your total uptime, yeah, for the database. Yeah, you were seeing that yeah, it is at least 99.95% for the database availability. If you're gonna have let's say autonomous data guard enable and so on, it can go up to 100%, yeah, the SLA for this database too. So really interesting solution. I will stop the recording now, and in a different video I will show you how to connect to the ATP using the multiple options. Thank you.